Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this Dear Midnight Set to Last Setting Spray to try out. And this is one of the products that I got in my December 2022 Boxy Luxe box. But this is a pretty pricey brand. This setting spray here retails for $30. And it's not that big of a setting spray. It's only 2 fluid ounces, but really pretty packaging with the kind of midnight sky look. And it's just supposed to be hydrating and make it so that your makeup lasts all night. So I love trying out setting sprays because I really want them to actually do something for my skin and my makeup. So I'm going to test this out on one side of my face first so that we can compare the difference. This is also cruelty-free. Before I apply this to my face, I'm going to just test out the spray bottle because I feel like that can really make or break a setting spray for me. Ooh, that's pretty nice. It's more of a lighter mist. Ooh, and I think it does have a nice smell to it. I think I'm getting like some sort of floral fragrance. Nice. I don't think it's going to be too overpowering, but we'll see once I apply it to my face. I mean, where I just sprayed it on my hand, it is looking a little bit more hydrated. My hands are so dry right now with the cold weather. And okay, this seems promising. Like my hand is more hydrated. You know, I could do a little test on the back of my hands too. Those are very dry. I am, just for the fun of it, going to spray the back of my hand here. And then with setting sprays, I always fan them dry. Take my little Boxycharm paper here. Wow. I mean, it's going to be a little hard to tell on camera, but that really did beautifully hydrate my hand. Ooh, that's like one of my new favorite ways to test a setting spray, I think. Like, where my hand looks like wrinkled and dry, it's now looking smooth. It's got a little bit of glowiness to it. And a really nice smell. Okay, wow. I'm so excited to put this on my face now. Ooh. I really do like this spray bottle because it completely drenched, kind of, or completely, not necessarily drenched, kind of, but it completely covered the entire face very quickly and easily. The spray area of this spray bottle is really nice, and it didn't leave like spitting marks, like I call it, just like droplets. It's all very evenly coated, but not so fine of a mist where you can't tell. Like, look at that difference right now. The glow that's giving my skin. It's drying down pretty quickly, but just gonna fan it to help it all dry down. But oh my goodness, this looks so nice on the skin. Just the radiance that it gave my skin now with it versus without it. Wow. It kind of looks like I put almost like a highlighter all over my skin. It looks so nice. Smoothing. It melts the makeup into the skin. Very hydrated, a really nice feel. I just keep looking down at my hands too because the difference is incredible. Oh, even the feel of it. It leaves the feel as if I put on almost like more than a lotion, almost like I put on a hand cream is how my hand is left feeling versus the dryness without it. I like don't want to waste this because I want to use it on my face, but I really am tempted to spray it on my other hand because that is a really dramatic difference. And now we've definitely given it enough time to dry down on my face, and I feel like I am left with the perfect amount of glow and sheen to the skin, almost kind of giving that glass skin effect. And this is really what I look for in my setting sprays because I want that dewiness to the skin and to be able to hydrate my skin when I'm wearing makeup. And this just does such an amazing job. I feel like there are so many setting sprays out there that just don't make any difference, and this makes such an incredible difference. I love it so much. Of course, I have to go ahead and apply it to the other side of my face. Oh, love this spray bottle as well. And the smell of this, it really is such an incredible smell. I've realized I'm a little picky with fragrances, like just more so the fragrances that I want to wear as a perfume personally, but oh, if I could get this smell in a perfume, I would absolutely wear it. I love it. It's like a definitely more floral with a little hint of fruitiness. Wow. Everything about this I love, from the bottle to the smell to how it sprays on the skin, the finish left on the skin. Wow. $30 I was saying is expensive, but at least everything about this is so good that I guess I understand the high price point. This is going to be so great to use during these dry, cold winter months because it truly gives my skin the amount of hydration that I was hoping to get, that I love to have in my skin. It just looks amazing. If you've tried this out, please let me know in the comments down below how it worked out for you. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.